my name is Natalia and today I'm going to show you something very special because I finally succeeded creating this. This has taken literally 2.5 weeks for me to create. Originally I used hen's eggs, but these are goose eggs, so they are a little bit more sturdy. The hen's eggs that I used, I tried to make them more sturdy by dipping them in concrete, dipping them in latex or dipping them in plaster, and nothing worked. I would love to show you all the footage, but because I got so mad, I deleted everything except the last one with the plaster. So I tried to dip the eggs in the plaster, I tried to pour the plaster over the egg, nothing worked because the plaster just won't stick onto the egg. So I went to my local hobby store and they suggested that I use goose eggs because they're much more sturdy. So these are goose eggs. These Easter egg fairy lights are just so beautiful to look at, and you can decorate them in whatever kind of way you want to. You can put, you know, the fake tattoos on them that you have to dab on with some water and then just create your perfect eggs. You can even let children help you and let them decorate the eggs so it becomes more like a family project. These eggs have a ton of possibilities. It's only your imagination that sets the boundaries. Now I would love to know what you want me to create next, so be sure to vote here in the poll above. And if you want to see some of these kind of DIYs in the future, subscribe to this channel. And remember to hit the bell button below so you don't miss out. So let's begin. Here's what you need. Do I have everything ready? Tinkerific! Let's begin! Now the eggs you're using have to be empty and they have to have holes in both ends. If they don't, make some with the tip of your scissor. When you're making the hole, make sure to be gentle so don't crack the egg. Think of yourself as a little chicken trying to get back into the egg. And don't make the bottom hole too big, otherwise the fairy light will just fall out. And then just continue making holes in all of your eggs. When that's done, we need to focus on the top of the egg. We need to create an opening. So use your scissor again and then gently create a bigger opening. Try not to make the holes too big, otherwise the fairy lights will be too visible. Empty out any excess eggshells that might have landed inside the egg. Now your egg might have this skin inside it. Just remove it with your scissor and just empty it out. So just repeat the same process with all of your eggs, opening the top, and then remove the skin and the excess eggshells. When that's all done, we need to decorate them. You can use flower rub-ons like I do. You can glue flower scraps onto the eggs. You can paint them. You can put fake tattoos onto them. There are a million possibilities. The choice is yours. Now continue decorating all of your eggs in the style you chose until they're all beautifully decorated. The last thing we need to do is to attach the fairy lights into the bottom of the eggs. And if you want, you can put some glue around the bottom opening so the fairy lights don't fall out. And that's pretty much it! Your beautiful Easter egg fairy lights are complete! I hope you enjoyed watching. Leave a like if you did, and be sure to check out these DIYs here to get some more inspiration. And if you want to see the upcoming videos here on this channel, you need to subscribe and be a part of our lovely Tinker family here at Natalia's Toolbox. So subscribe, and I will see you soon with more ideas. Bye!